But I'd love to know what you like. I mean, what captures your eye when you walk into a store?
So bomber jackets is probably where I go first, or like a vintage t-shirt of like an old football team, baseball team, anything like that. Yeah.
Denim, a bomber jacket, I kind of like wardrobe must-haves.
Yeah.
And you can definitely find them thrifting, so let's try and find something.
Okay, let's
do
go.
it.
It's a challenge.
You can learn a lot about someone by the way they move through a space like this. What catches their eye, what they ignore, what they pick up and put back.
What are you usually into? Like, what is your...
I
mean, we change with the season, right?
I think I'm trying to learn to like step out of my comfort zone a little bit
Yeah.
more. I think I've still got that mindset where you think if you wear like a baggy top and a baggy pair of pants that you look like a boy,
Yeah.
but it's also like you're allowed to look like a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's where I'm at with my style.
I like that.
Yeah.
Finding who you are,
Yeah.
what your identity is through fashion. I like that. That's cool.